Hello again, Asia Explorer. As I said to you, it's raining every day here in this Christmas time. It makes a person sad. The only way I can be happy again is if I see you smashing that like button and subscribing to EG Geeks. Welcome, and let's start again. Let's continue our journey into EG, tables, and PDF to Excel. Let's imagine now that you have, let's say, 100 patients with a certain disease and 100 normal patients, and you want to compare them. You do the same. You have those epochs, and you have for each patient with lots of information. How to compare patients, 100 patients with 100 controls. There are lots of ways. I will just show one using Excel. I could do it using just Python, but I think that Excel is a very used software. Then we are getting the data from the PDF and inserting into Excel. Let's improve a little bit our notebook. All tables in one worksheet, title and head, are separate one line from table. Remember, to work with more than one PDF, the structure of all PDFs must be the same. Or you have to create one Excel file for each PDF because it's created automatically. So if the structure of PDFs change, you will not be able to compare different patients. I will show you what I'm trying to explain here. You don't have to know programming again. You just click inside the cell. Here. My first PDF here. Open. Let's go back. Okay. Enter the desired name for the Excel file. Let's say test 1. It's creating the Excel file. And here's the name of the tab. Let's say P1. Tables extract and saved in EG notebook test 1. Let's see if it's there. Oh, here. Let's open test 1. Correct. We have all tables side by side. Let's close it. I don't know if it works if Excel is open. Let's close it. Okay. Then again, I'm having this problem. It's not popping up. Python, Excel, PDF 2, 1. PDF 0, 1. Open. Let's go back there. Enter desired name for the Excel file. Test 1 again. Okay, a file test 1 already exists. Do you want to add new worksheet? Yes. Enter the name. Let's say P2. Test 1. Okay, P1, P2. Let's try once more. One more time. Protocol Excel 02. Enter design name for the Excel file. Test 1. The file already exists. You want to add a new worksheet? Yeah. Let's say P3, or the name of the control or the name of the patient. 1, 2, 3. Good. And it will be the same if you select 1,000 patients and 1,000 controls. Why is important to have this structure? Because you can have, for instance, in all tabs in column C3, we have the maximum value for FP1 electrode and so on. Then you can get the medium value, the max value, the minimum value for this particular item. And the same for all the items of all tables. Remember that EMG is just electromyogram, and then we cannot use it. You do not use it in this case. And some tables have different sizes, but the important is the structure for the same table to be in the same place in different tabs. Then you can compare patient 1 with patient 2 with patient 3 with the control 1, control 2, control 3 that you can insert in this table, or in you can separate patients from controls, etc. You can compare both groups using the same worksheet, the same structure, or you can separate patients in one Excel file and controls in another Excel file. It's all for now. Thank you for your presence.